What are we doing today?
We are putting the floorboard back.
Oh my god, you scratched the thing.
I did not.
Oh my god.
It was just the sound effects.
Of something scratching wood.
Ta-da!
Yeah, but that's cheating, that's just the easy one.
Okay.
Now for the grand finale.
I thought I'd done it for a minute.
Well, you're not too far off. This is as close as you've ever been.
Yeah.
There you go. You did it.
Can we just crop that other little bit out?
No.
Please. Yeah.
Oh well, fun's over now that you know how to do it.
Nah, that's very good. Proud moment.
Proud moment. Now we're ready to sail around the world. Welcome to another episode of Sailing Indiana. So another job that we have been putting off because, I don't know, we're just lazy and not very good at this boat maintenance thing.
We've had loads of rain. The weather's been crap.
The weather's been crap. We've sort of put this job off from end of summer last year through the winter, and now it's actually going to be quite nice for a couple of days here in the UK. So we thought, well, let's take a chance and do this job. The job being? Graphics. The boat's been nameless since we've owned it anyway, and
Vinyls.
yeah, no vinyls and bits and pieces. So we're we had these printed up from a company called Skinzilla. Yeah, they sent them to us. We've just had them in the tube for ages and not put them on, so yeah.
Sorry guys, they were awesome. Poseidon will be happy.
Poseidon will be happy, yeah. Then we might, well, do a little name changing ceremony as well. So we can officially
waste some champagne.
We can officially waste some champagne and call the boat Indiana after this.
Yeah.
Because, it's been kind of nameless for a long time, even though we've obviously adopted Indiana as the name, but unofficially, as far as Poseidon's concerned. You might have noticed that I've got some random sun cream on the top of my head because...
Why?
Because as an Englishman, the sun came out for the first day this year and started not to wear sunscreen and went out and was wearing, actually, a lovely gift from Raymarine at the time, which we're very, very thankful for because it's really cool, but it's got this pattern on the back. And if you wear the hat backwards, you are likely to get a suntan in the gap, which worked out to be just about there. So now I'm trying to even it up. So I've got sunscreen on the middle bit and none elsewhere. I'm just hoping that it evens up. So the white patch here gets a little bit of sun today. So sound logic.
Yeah, good one. What do we learn from this? We need to put sun cream on. Always put your sun cream on.
Don't wear hats in the sun.
Fact
oh no,
50.
Do wear hats, but yeah.
And put fact 50 on your face. Look after your skin.
Look after your skin, people.
Exactly.
See ya.
See ya. So we've got our Roundel logo. We've got obviously Indiana, and we've got the Gypsy 372 because we were redoing that because it was blue before. And it was also looking a little bit worn, so we've gone like for a nice grey to keep with our colours. Oh my god.
And we've also got, so that's the Master of Gypsy Master.
We've already put Master on the one side already. I think you saw in like a video a while ago. So that's done.
There's our SSR number.
Yeah.
For anyone who's interested.
Ta-da.
That'll soon be on the back.
boat. Yeah, and then we've got Gypsy 372. So like this. Yeah.
Like so, like that.
Like so, like that.
We've got the name for the stern.
Yeah, Indiana.
They've given us 2, which is really nice. So thanks very
Yeah,
much for
thanks
that.
guys.
Because we'll probably mess up the first one, so we can try again. Yeah, and then we've got the main event, which is our little roundel and the Indiana, which is going to go on the bow either side. So
really excited about these. All right then, let's give this a go.
yeah, we got to just move the boat closer, stern closer, so we can get the stern one done, and then we'll move the stern out, bow closer to get the bow one done.
Yeah.
Then we've got to go out, turn the boat around, and do the other side and the stern. So
Yeah. I wiped the surfaces down this morning, so
yeah,
should be clean. Yeah.
see how we get on.
Stay tuned.
We've got a top line set. We just measured the same distance here, here and here. So we're hoping that we're now in line. Kind of got some ghosting left over from the old, where the old blue one was. So we kind of got guided up on that, but otherwise we're just going for it. 372 bit was a bit further out, so we've cut this, set the top line. Just going to measure it off a little bit further along. We'll do that one separately. 2 options. We could peel the backing tape up, sticking the bottom down as we go, and obviously just sticking it and working up, but actually we put some of these middle lines or rib lines on, and I think we're just going to work one side to the other instead, peeling the backing tape off as we go, because I think it's then, I don't know, it just seems like it's a bit more easier, less paper in the way. And
it's quite windy actually.
It's quite windy now.
Chris's little foot sling that he's created.
Don't want to get my feet wet. We're not in this marina water anyway.
Oh God, no.
We know what's in it.
All right then. Yeah, ready?
Cool.
Cool.
Okay, moment of truth. We've got the backing off, and now we're just going to try and not lift the lettering up as we pull that off. So I'm just hoping it's stuck to the boat and not
Back on the vinyl.
Not back on the vinyl itself. So
Yes.
yeah, we're having some success.
So do this super slow. We'll speed this up for you guys though, that's for sure. Yeah, did it.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's a lot smoother than I thought it was going to be.
Whew.
This is quite sticky as well.
All right, now for the 372.
Yeah, let's get rid of this. Oh. All done and dusted. That looks cool. Looks pretty.
It's pretty. It's real
Happy?
pretty.
Looks
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm worried about doing the bow now, but I'm sure we'll be fine.
We'll be fine. This is our test run.
Well practiced. Okay, so this is the big one. Not sure how we're going to do this circle, but we think we like it.
Yeah, we've played around with it a little bit. It was like further back, it was further forward, but we
tried
like
it
this
up
bit.
Here it didn't quite look right, and I think here it's sort of working in line with these.
It's giving it a bit more
Pulpit.
surface space. I think this makes it look a bit bigger, so I think it looks good. We're happy.
Yeah.
We're happy.
So
Let's do it. she's stuck in place, and now we just need to peel off this bit, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Done.
How about that?
It looks so cool. Awesome. She's ready. Yeah, good. I think it's a good space. Yeah, that looks so cool.
Subtle but effective.
I love it. Yay.
Okay, we've successfully moved the boat around, or turned it around at least. So, yeah, strange to see, but Indiana's facing the other way.
Yeah, it's weird.
That was weird. So we're just doing a bit of prep work now to the back, and then we'll be applying the graphics for this side. So hopefully it all goes to plan. Yeah, and we've got a nice one to go on the stern as well. And I'll wiggle it up and down if you like that. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Push the sea. Yeah. Almost. And we're in business.
We're in. Ta-da!
Beautiful.
Okay. Oh, whoops, I didn't do that.
Oh my god.
Sorry. It'll come off. I'll get acetone, it'll come off.
Jeez. Alright, give me the card.
It'll come off.
And that's it.
There she blows.
Indiana.
That looks really good.
Yeah, I think it's straight. A little flatfish. It's dinner tonight.
I think There's another one underneath it.
Oh, it's gone.
It's gone.
That was dinner. It's gone.
No.
Alright, so we've successfully stuck some stickers on the boat.
Yeah. Which sounds like an easy task, but it really wasn't.
Yeah,
it was easy, but it was...
It's easy, just was like long and I guess more technical, but not really technical. But
You had to be patient, not rush it.
Don't rush it.
We measured it, we taped it, we put it in place, we did it properly.
Yeah. But now my mum and dad are coming tomorrow, so we're going to hopefully do the naming or renaming ceremony tomorrow when they're here, because that'd be quite nice for them to see.
Yeah, it'd be awesome.
And that will finally have us right by Poseidon. So
yeah.
yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow.
According to legend, each and every vessel is recorded by name in the Ledger of the Deep and is known personally by Poseidon or Neptune, the god of the sea. It is logical, therefore, if we wish to change the boat name, to purge its name from the Ledger of the Deep and from Poseidon's memory. This begins by removing the old boat name from any part of the boat, writing it on a piece of metal or wood with soluble ink, and offering this to Poseidon. You will then need some champagne and recite these words. O mighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, I implore you in your graciousness to expunge for all time from your records and recollection the name Zagain, which has ceased to be an entity in your kingdom. As proof thereof, we submit this talisman bearing her name to be corrupted through your powers and forever be purged from the sea. In grateful acknowledgement of your munificence and dispensation, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. So we offered the talisman to Poseidon, and now it was time to begin the renaming ceremony. So we repeat the following. O mighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, I implore you in your graciousness to take unto your records and recollection this worthy vessel hereafter and for all time known as Indiana, guarding her with your mighty arm and trident, and ensuring her of safe and rapid passage throughout her journeys within your realm. In appreciation of your munificence and dispensation, and in honour of your greatness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. Our new boat name is now in existence, so the last thing before starting the engine is to appease the 4 wind gods. So you face north and throw some champagne out of the flute in that direction and say, Great Boreas, exalted ruler of the north wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in the pursuit of our lawful endeavours, ever sparing us the overwhelming scourge of your frigid breath. Now face west, repeating the champagne pour, and toss while saying, Great Zephyrus, exalted ruler of the west wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in the pursuit of our lawful endeavours, ever sparing us the overwhelming scourge of your wild breath. Face east, repeating the champagne toast while saying, Great Eurus, exalted ruler of the east wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in the pursuit of our lawful endeavours, ever sparing us the overwhelming scourge of your mighty breath. And finally, we face south, pouring the champagne and tossing it while reciting, Great Notus, exalted ruler of the south wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in the pursuit of our lawful endeavours, ever sparing us the overwhelming scourge of your scalding breath. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.